first time at McDonald's, your two favorite flavors together. New McCafe Caramel Mocha.
Well, what do you guys think?
Perfect.
The simple joy of sweet harmony.
Hey everybody, that's it for tonight, but you can still check out more Cartoon Network.
Yeah, go online now to you have thumbs.
Good night.